So I cleaned up the contacts and I gave the springs a little twist. So it's good enough. We're gonna give it a shot, see if it's working. I think what was happening is it wasn't. The switch kind of acts as a relay, and it wasn't fully ground and springing up. But looks like we're making good contact now. Give it a shot. It's really hard to see, but it is working. So there you go, free fix. Just had to mess with the switch. And had a couple other issues. This thing, I found this wire in here. It is working, but I'm gonna switch that to something better. And then in here, I had to make a bypass for the tailgate switch in here. That only lets you roll the window up and down when you're got the tailgate closed. So that was bad, this was bad, and we had a bad wire, but we're working now.